Blizzard conditions continue statewide. Dangerously cold temperatures are becoming just as much of a concern.
There are resources available for people to get out of the cold. We have News 8's Brittany Taylor live for us in East Hartford this morning with another look at conditions there and where people can find a warm place to go. Good morning, Brittany.
Yeah, good morning to you. You don't want to be out in conditions like this, Laura and Keith. It is absolutely rude out here. Like the young kids say, the wind is winding. You do not want to mess with Mother Nature. You can see the snow side-swiping me, and it's been interesting to see how the wind has picked up throughout the morning. In the last few hours or so, when we first came on the air at 4 a.m., it was 43 miles per hour. Now, I just looked at my phone, we are sitting at 50-mile-per-hour winds, and you can just see that all around me, the snow swirling all around me. We are back here at the hotel in East Hartford. I want to give you a look here. It's hard to say exactly how much snowfall accumulation because this parking lot has been plowed multiple times. But like I said, the snow is coming down fast. It's coming down hard. You can see the good news is a lot of people aren't leaving their hotel rooms. You can see all of these cars with snow on them. Now, because of this wind, it's really picking up the snow off of the vehicles. We were speaking to one man. We're going to bring you sound from him a little bit later on, but he was clearing off his car because he had to take his wife to a surgery at the hospital today. So unless you're in a particular situation like that, you do not want to be out on these roads. It is absolutely treacherous out there. And like you guys mentioned, there are resources available for those who need. You can call 211 or visit 211ct.org to find a warming center or a shelter to stay warm. All right, that's the latest here from East Hartford. We're going to take a quick break here on Good Morning Connecticut. Our Blizzard 2026 coverage continues when we come back.